just within the boundary.
Vice, mabot pa sa punto kung kayo sa mga ways people's power. Kung sa'yo suporta sa local official din sila.
Well, we cannot really tell what's going to happen in the future. One thing I'm sure is what everything will happen. But yeah, we cannot tell everybody what's happening. That's just the reality.
Vice, may statement naman kayo.
I'm sure they will come up with a statement because they're talking about legalities. Talks about legalities, especially interpreting the Constitution. The IBT they play a great part.
Vice, pwede ba naman as a former local pwede ba i-secure na ang rules of court? Provide mas na din lang sa mga
Ang rules of court naman is there enacted by to be used by the courts in their proceedings. It will not govern the rules of Congress, but it can, however, in its statutory character, be used in case there is a situation in Congress that there are no rules about it. We can go and use the rules of court kasi statutory character siya.
Vice, napabay plano mo sumunod ng mga adlaw ng paigay ni pre-rally.
I do not know. In fact, I was just surprised to hear about this and I prayer rally around 5:30. That's why I'm here.
Okay, salamat ba?
Thank you, Vice.
Advance, very good.
Vice,
Vice. Thank you.